Show you the software I use to make the videos you're seeing onto YouTube. I use both my Android phone and if you're an Android user, you can go out there and onto Play Store and use these apps over here. I can recommend you KineMaster. It's there. This is a software which has made a lot of money for guys. This is another software which you can use if you're an Android user and you don't have a PC. You just have to install it. There is another one, let me see. There is this Viva. Okay, this one is also a very wonderful software you can use for Android thumbnails. And the software I can recommend is this, that is for photo editing. It's Pixel Lab. Okay, it's Pixel Lab, just like the way you're seeing that. It has a lot of features which you can use to edit thumbnails. Some of the thumbnails you see onto my channel here were made using that software. I'm not that good at editing, but if you have a good way of editing, you can use them. Well, when you go to PC, the software I use, and it is very easy to use and it's very easy to use for editing. You don't need to do a lot of tic-tacs, no. It's very easy, okay? All you need to do is to click there, import the videos which you want to edit. There are some transitions here, effects, and many things to do. Titles. There are some transitions like audio, which is free. You don't need to hustle with any CS, like searching out for songs. As well, if you have your own music, you can import. There are effects, elements, which you can try out, and many things which you can do. Now, that is for the video editing. For audio, like sometimes you can record the audio, and that audio you feel like background noise, it's not cool, it's not like, you know, kids are playing the background. Sometimes you can record videos and you feel like, you know, I need to remove that background noise, but you don't know how to do it. Well, I use a software called Audacity. It's over here. You can just import the audio, try out. I'll make some videos about it, but you can try out and see how you can do each and everything with the Audacity. Well, for screen recording, I use Bandicam, and it's over here. It is here, and it is the one I'm using to record. That's the one you're seeing over here. I've recorded a few stuffs, and I'm just going to edit just like the way you're seeing this one I'm recording. Now, as I end, I forget to show you that the lady you're seeing in the background here is my sweet mom and my everything. Well, she passed on last year, and today I feel like commemorating her. So with that, may her soul rest in peace. I remain Scott UG. We meet in another video. God bless.